Most project team members use Word, Excel, and Outlook, so it's easy to get task information from them in Word documents, Excel spreadsheets, or emails. You can also copy tasks within your project task list. Copying project tasks saves time when you do the same sort of work in different summary tasks or phases, like the same construction tasks for several buildings on a corporate campus. Whether you're creating your initial task list or revising it, you can organize your tasks at any time, insert new tasks, or delete tasks you don't need. You might want to move tasks to another place in the task list to rearrange your work breakdown or to put the tasks in the order in which they occur. Suppose your teams define the tasks they will perform and send you the Word documents or emails. Here's a Word document with some tasks. You can copy the text from this file or from an email and paste it into Project. Project 2010 can translate indents in Word documents, Excel spreadsheets, and Outlook emails into outline levels, so you can paste in summary tasks and subtasks in one fell swoop. In this example, the Word document has task names only. The summary tasks are at the left margin. The subtasks are indented. Select the tasks and press Ctrl-C to copy them, or on the Home tab you can click Copy. Then switch over to Project. Click the first blank task name cell in the table. To paste the project, you can press Ctrl-V, or on the Task tab, you can click Paste. The task names flow into the task name cells starting with the first cell you selected. Project indents the tasks based on the level they were indented in Word or Outlook. In addition, Project copies the highlighting on the two milestone tasks from the Word document. You can choose to keep the formatting from Word or Project. If you look closely, you see an option indicator to the left of the first task name. Click it and a drop-down menu appears. You can choose to keep the source formatting or match the destination formatting. If the tasks you want to copy are already in your task list, the steps are even easier. You can select several tasks to copy by dragging the pointer over all the task ID cells you want. In this project, click Task ID 4 for Review with Management. If you click only one cell in the task row, the copy command copies only the value in that cell. The pointer changes to a four-headed arrow. Press Ctrl-C to copy the task to the clipboard. To paste the task, click the task row where you want the copy. For example, select the last row and press Ctrl-V. If you forget a task, you can insert it into your existing task list. Say you forgot to schedule a walkthrough of the new office space. To insert a new task between two tasks, click the lower task row. Repair New Office, in this example. On the Task tab, click Task. The task comes in at the same level as the task below it. The task name cell says New Task, so just start typing the task name and press Enter. If the task isn't at the outline level you want, click Indent Task or Outdent Task. You can also insert a summary task into the list, as you learned in an earlier movie. If you want to move tasks, you can drag them to where you want them, perhaps another part of your work breakdown, or to arrange them in the order in which they occur. Click the Task ID cell to select the entire task row. In this project, click the Obtain Necessary Permits task. The pointer changes to a four-headed arrow. When you drag the task, you see a horizontal line that shows where the task will drop, just above the Hire Contractors task. If that's where you want it, just release the button to drop the task into place. To delete a task, just select its ID cell and then press the Delete button. If the task is a regular task, Project deletes it. If you delete a summary task, Project asks you if you want to delete the summary task and all its subtasks. You can click OK to continue with the delete or cancel. If you want to delete a summary task without deleting its subtasks, first outdent the subtask to the same level as the summary task. For example, select these two subtasks and then outdent them. Then you can select the summary task and press Delete to delete it. If you see an indicator, you can click it to delete the entire task or just the contents of the task name cell. In this case, select Delete the entire task. You can identify summary tasks by the plus or minus signs to the left of the name. Click a minus to collapse a summary task and hide its subtasks. Then, if you want to see them again, just click the plus to expand the summary task. Copying task information from other Office programs like Word, Excel, and Outlook is much easier with Project 2010. Project can recognize outline levels and formatting that comes from those other programs, But you can also fine-tune task organization in Project. Insert or delete tasks, move or copy them, or you can change the outline level to change subtasks into summary tasks or vice versa.